Yeah, this is the elevator at Mira in Sarasota, Florida. Looks like an original general elevator.
Sit.
GAL lantern. Can't tell. I'm thinking this is a general. I don't know what it is. We're gonna go to 3. Mira Plaza. The heck is that? Old bumper. There's an 88 phone there. There's your Epco fixtures. Oh, those don't push in. It's a pretty basic but fairly nice elevator. Still being inspected. I have no clue why it buzzes whenever it levels. But anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.